All right, the drink we're about to make is called Caribbean Cocktail. And we're going to serve this up in a martini glass. So if you want to put some water and ice in there and let it sit while you're making your drink, that'll get it nice and chilled for you by the time you're done. All right, fill up your mixing glass with ice. And we'll start off with 1.5 ounces of spiced rum. There's 1.5. Follow that up with 3/4 of an ounce of apricot brandy. There we go. And now we'll give it a splash of cranberry juice. Okay, take your shaker and give it a good shake. Want to make sure you get it as cold as you can since we're serving without ice. And dump out your ice water. Use your strainer to strain it in. There we go. And that is the Caribbean cocktail. Bottoms up.